Hey, what's up? Callie here. So, here's the deal. I'm going to keep it super short and super simple because that's how I like to do things for you. You know this. So, you've been reading my emails for a little bit of time. You're on this page, so you're looking to make a change. I just wanted to give you basically what's going to happen. You know, as humans, we really are very skeptical sometimes, but we're also very curious. We want to be prepared. We want to be knowing what is going to happen and what we can expect. So, our 21-day academy, basically what's going to happen is when you click this link below on this page and get registered, you're going to find a time. There's going to be a link to find a time for what is called a strategy session. During that strategy session, that's just going to be you sitting down with me or one of my coaches. We're going to go through your goals. We're going to talk about what has worked for you in the past and probably what's not working and why you're not where you're at. That's really the biggest question that we're going to dive into. We're going to talk about nutrition a little bit and just get a feel for where you're at. You know, no judgment, no changes, nothing. Just like, hey, where are you at? Just conversation. We're going to talk about any injuries you've had so we make sure you're ready to go for the workouts. We're going to get some initial measurements. Again, this is just a baseline. So you're going to come in, we're going to do a body composition test, which is basically just way cooler than the scale. So it's going to tell you a lot of things, how much body fat you have, but also how much muscle you have, which is really awesome. Most people are like, oh, I'm dreading the measurements, but when they do it again in like a couple weeks, they're super psyched because they can see all the changes. So we do that, and then you and I, or you and one of my coaches, will just sit down and talk about how the 21-day academy works. Basically, you're going to come in, you're going to train with us 3 times a week. We'll set up your schedule, and then you are going to try to do one day on your own, which will give you all the workouts for that. We'll set up your nutrition and kind of what direction you need to take, the first couple of habits you need to change, and that's it. Then we'll get you all set up for your first workout, when you're going to come in, what you're going to do, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's exactly what's going to happen after you click this link. And the cool thing about this 21-day academy, which again, if you've read my emails and you know kind of what we're about, we like to really focus on a couple of things. One, accountability, which basically means doing what you said you would do. So we help you with that. We help you get structured. We help you stay accountable to your goals. When you fall off the wagon, we're right there for you, helping you out. Make sure you make it to class. Make sure you're doing your nutrition, staying on you. But really, that's the biggest thing, is accountability. That's the one thing people miss. Second big factor is the community. Okay, you're going to be surrounded with like-minded people, fun people, cool people just like you, women who want to lose weight, who want to look good. No like super crazy athletes, right? It's just like everybody's in there having fun, working at their own level. So when you come in for those workouts, we're going to push you, but we're going to meet you where you're at. Okay, so you're never going to get injured. You're never going to be left behind. You're never going to be the slowest one. It's all fun. It's all group training. And this is what I tell people. It's personal training, just with other people there. Okay, so we tailor it to you, we help you, we meet you where you're at so that you progress. It's going to be hard, but it's going to be super safe and super fun. Okay, so that's the lowdown. Now, if you're ready, again, I know you're on this page, you want to make a change. It's not working by yourself. It's not working with the things that you're trying to do. I'll just be honest with that. I've seen it with women just like you. And when they come into this environment where it's supportive, it's fun, it's accountable, that's when the magic happens, okay? So I hope to see you on the other side. Just click that link, get registered. We'll meet up for the strategy session. We'll schedule a workout, and you're good to go, my friend. All right, I'll see you soon.